Good morning. Today we're going to get our hands dirty and replace the drive belt of a Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2.0. Drive belts are tough and reliable things, and they definitely last a long time. But after a certain number of years or a certain number of kilometers, they eventually have to be replaced, especially if it's already squeaking, and this one certainly does. So we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a breaker bar, and a 17mm socket wrench. So first, we'll remove the air scoop to give us more working space. So here's the drive belt. We need to take note of the orientation and the routing of the belt. Or even better, take a photo. To release the belt, we need to put the 17mm socket wrench on the tensioner pulley and turn it clockwise. This should let us slip off the belt and remove it. So this is our replacement belt. This one is a Goodyear, but anything with the same specifications should work. Let's take it out. And then we'll just put it in, following the same orientation and routing as before. Okay, so after a lot of tries and retries, I was finally able to put everything in place by locking open the tensioner pulley. And now I can just slip in the belt into place. Now we can release the tensioner pulley. So let's just make sure that everything's in place and all the grooves and ribs are lined up. So here's the old belt. The outer edge is frayed and it seems to be lacking a rib. Yeah, it's lacking one rib. Let's start it up. Looking good. Everything seems to be okay. The last thing we need to do is to put back the air scoop. And that's it. We've replaced the drive belt. Thank you for watching.